Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. When I'm not doing my hair, I am creating, and I want to show you a little behind the scenes of what my mom and I are building inside our Sherika O community. Quick note before we start, you can join our Hobby to Hustle community in two ways. First is free, where you can hang out with us, you can get inspired, you can see what other women are creating and how they're making money selling their jewelry. And the other way is paid, where you get access to real projects, full resources, PDF tutorials, our growing library of different jewelry making styles, step by step lessons that we're putting together. You can join either level by using the link below. Okay, so today I'm walking you through how I take one of Sherry's original tutorials and turn it into a clean one-page PDF with simple steps. In this quick tutorial, I'm sharing how I'm running the community. So this is a bit of a background view of what I do to make sure that our community members are satisfied and that we are providing a lot of value. So Sherry Shine, the creator of and founder of Sherika Originals, has over 1,000 videos on YouTube. One of the things that that we're doing is cataloging these videos into different categories and groups, and we're breaking them down to make them easier. Nobody really wants to scroll through 1,000 videos to find what they're looking for, so we're making this content easier to find. Right now, I'm working on a free resource with 5 easy pairs of earrings to make in less than 15 minutes. Sherry has already created video tutorials of these, but I'm taking the transcripts from each of these videos. I'm putting it into ChatGPT. So this is me where I've copied and pasted the video. I gave it instructions earlier. This is the first one, and I told it to take the transcript, break it down into a 4th grade level, give step-by-step instructions of up to 5 steps. And then I told it to take the URL and create a QR code. So I want each of these earring tutorials to be one page, easy to scan, easy to read, and easy to see what you're going to make, and then also easy to get to the video. So that's what I have done. This is just really quick and how I'm using AI to run our business, how I'm providing value in our community. And so the second part is once I have the instructions, then I'm taking it into my Canva template and I am putting it in here. So I'm on create the spirals. So I'm going to type create the spirals here. And then I'm going to copy and paste the rest from Chatty and paste it into here. Now, obviously that is a little bit long, so I'm going to take both of these and select them and scoot them down. Make the ear hooks. And then put the earrings together. Okay. Now I'm going to select all 5 of these boxes. I'm going to scroll up here to position, and then I'm going to ask it to space it evenly vertically. So when I move that, now they've got nice even spaces in between, and it's still easy to see. Although I think I want a little bit more space in these because they're a little bit longer. Excuse me, the instructions are a little bit longer. Pull that down just a little bit, and now I will do that again. Position vertically. That way there's a little bit more white space, a little bit more breathing room in between the earrings. So far, I've got easy wire hoop earrings, easy beaded hoop earrings, and then easy spiral earrings. So I need to get the photo for that. Here's my QR code. So it's downloading the file. I'm going to upload the file into Canva. Earrings. So this is the one I'm going to upload. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to slide it over until I see it replace that little one. So it replaced that right there. Okay, now I'm done with that, but I need the screenshot. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to scroll. She doesn't have pictures of these right now, so I have to. So I need to take one from here. So that's a good, clear shot right there. So I might just go ahead and take a screenshot of that before I can just do one. Upload that screenshot that I just took. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take it, drag it right there. So now I can move on to the next thing. So that's how I'm using AI. That's how I'm using Canva. And ultimately, when I'm done with this, I will click share, download, and then PDF. It's already a PDF. And then I'll download it. And then this is what I will upload as a resource into our Skool group called Hobby to Hustle. Hopefully this was helpful. Peace.